Now we got that Philip Jolly special over here. But now it's my brothers, Sean, getting those good numbers out here, man. And Rod.
Hello.
Man, this thing is beautiful, man. It look better in person.
Yeah.
It does.
I actually love it.
Oh my God.
Love it,
See
man.
through it a little, it's
You
nice.
did such a great job too.
And you shaved it too, man. That's how you do it. And yeah, we're gonna get it in. My brother ain't bring out that TP today, that twin. I seen that somewhere.
No, I just made.
Oh. Could have sworn I seen. All right, guys, we're finna get a speed run in with the Arrma Limitless. Zeroed out. Recording. This one faster than the truck.
What you just put in?
The GPS will tell you how fast it's going. I don't even care if I don't do 100. I just want to run it. I don't even care. Because me trying to do 100 all the time, I always end up wrecking. I just want to run it, see how fast it'll go. I swear, Papa, I wreck every time. I'm trying to do 100.
Wait, which way is in?
Huh?
Oh.
You better stay away from the road.
Oh. Are you kidding me?
You didn't land in the water.
Thank you, Lord.
You got lucky. Wow.
Yeah,
That was a good
thank you,
one.
Lord.
You
Thank you.
kept it pretty good.
All right, guys, so we done made it down here. Thank God for that pole. Hopefully everything is still working. Let's see what we got. GPS is on. 100, baby, yeah! We got 100, baby, on the dot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My first 100, baby. Hope y'all can see it, baby. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Jesus. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. I am so happy, guys. We done hit 100. I don't even care about the rest. Hey, I just had prep. You putting prep on them? That's what I should have did, bro.
Fireball.
Fireball. Here we go.
After getting all the ants, that's a good one.
We got that new fireball. Getting prepped. Getting ready to hit us new PD, baby. What you got? Dynamite on that? Yep.
Yes.
You ever get
a new PB today from Sean?
Yeah,
I hope
definitely.
so.
But take it easy, man.
Yes.
Man, I gotta get close to that body,
Any
guys.
ant piles, problems, any of that shit.
Yeah,
Smooth.
you guys don't understand. This paint job is wicked.
Yep.
Strong up to
Easy.
50. 50
Then
smooth.
slow.
Yeah.
That's what I did too. Thank you for that knowledge, bro. That helped me with doing that run.
Of course.
Here we go. Safe run.
Car coming behind, but you have time.
Slow down. Oh, yeah, good save, bro.
Oh well. It was a good try that time.
Yes,
Only 79, so
yeah.
not worth anything that
79.
time.
Right. My wife driving the
You say take it. You say take it. Take, go. Take, go. Take, go. Take, go. Hurry up, take, go. Come on the picture, Tay. Tay, run, go. Tay, go. Yo, man, come on.
It run hot, babe?
I think so.
Cause it got a high speed pinion in it. You can only run it like once. That's to run up down the road one time and
Once I started doing the donut. Let me see the one.
we Got my beautiful wife on the track.
You want me to put it in the back seat?
Yeah. We got my mama out here and we got Daddy-O. And Daddy-O got his fresh truck out here. You dig? Yeah, sure. We got my son out here cutting up on his little 3-wheel bicycle. We got my brothers over there working, getting it in. My beautiful wife. Let's go. All right, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.